Hello guys, today we are discussing about the inheritance topic in OOPS language. Okay, first of all, we want to know about inheritance. What is inheritance? One of the most important concepts in object-oriented programming is that of inheritance. Inheritance allows us to define a class in terms of another class, which makes it easier to create and maintain an application. This also provides an opportunity to reuse the code functionality and fast implementation time. When creating a class, instead of writing completely new data members and member functions, the programmer can designate that the new class should inherit the members of an existing class. The existing class is called the base class and the new class is referred to as a derived class, or the deriving class is derived class. Next is, what are the types of inheritance? There are 5 types of inheritance: single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, multiple inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, hybrid inheritance. Next we are looking for what is single inheritance. Single inheritance is one in which the derived class inherits the single base class either publicly, privately or protectly. In single inheritance, the derived class uses the features or members of the single base class. When a class inherits another class, it is known as a single inheritance, but only the one class. In the example given below, dog class inherits the animal class. So there is a single inheritance. Next is multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance in Java with example when a class extends a class which extends another class. Then this is called multi-level inheritance. For example, class C extends class B and class B extends class A. Then this type of inheritance is known as multi-level inheritance. Class has more than one parent class. For example, if we take animals as a base class, then mammals are the derived class which has features of animals, and then humans are the also derived class that is derived from some class mammals which inherit all the features of mammals. Here is an example of multi-level inheritance. Next is hierarchical inheritance. In hierarchical inheritance, all features that are common in child classes are included in the base class. For example, physics, chemistry, biology are derived from science class. Similarly, dog, cat, horse are derived from animal class. These all are the hierarchical inheritance, and it is a kind of inheritance which more than one class is inherited from a single parent or single base class. Especially those features which are common in the parent class is also common with the base class. Here is an example of hierarchical inheritance. Next is hybrid inheritance. Hybrid inheritance, also called multipath inheritance. It is the process of deriving a class using more than one level or more than one mode of inheritance. For example, a class marks is derived from class student by single level inheritance. A hybrid inheritance is a combination of more than one types of inheritance. For example, when class A and B extends class C and another class D extends class A, then this is a hybrid inheritance because it is a combination of single and hierarchical inheritance. And here is an example of hybrid inheritance. Okay, thank you.